What's up, YouTube? Here's the second box in the two box group break. First box was decent. This one is sticking. This one I'm gonna try taking the packs out. Make it quicker. Okay, here we go. Alright, first pack. Casey McGee, base card. Brewers, ticket to Topstown. Mark Reynolds. Diamond giveaway. Diamond parallel is Brad Hawpe of the Padres. Diamond duos card is Dan Uggla and Jason Haywood. Marlon Byrd, Cubs. We got Harmon Killebrew for the Senators. That'll go to the Twins. That's a fake back. Our gold parallel, Marcus Mateo. Cubs, numbered 253 out of 2011. We have another ticket to Topstown, which the cards are just garbage. They're giving us two of them. Chris Carpenter, Cardinals. And we got a hit here. It's a relic jersey card. And it's the Cubs, Marlon Byrd. Cubs are making out. They did well in the first break. And we got a base card, Kevin Youkilis. The mini card, by the way, that fell out, is Mel Ott for the Giants. And we got the glove relic in this pack. Hopefully we don't get all the hits right away. Spread it out a little. Alright, Johnny Damon, Rays. Base card, Jason Worth. Ticket to Topstown. Diamond giveaway. The diamond parallel is David Freese of the Cardinals. Diamond duo card is Adrian Beltre and Elvis Andrus. We got a top 60 card of Greg Maddux. Albert Pujols. Fake back. The gold parallel is Roy Halladay. The glove leather is behind it. It's a black one. Good luck, guys. And it's Roy Campanella for the Dodgers. And it's numbered 1 of 99. Nice hit, Dodgers. Black leather. Numbered 1 of 99. The Roy Halladay gold card is 1033 of 2011. Mini card is Lou Brock of the Cardinals. And then we got a Royals base card of Joaquin Soria. We got another glove relic in this pack. Hopefully this one is a nickname. Okay, we got Darwin Barney for the Cubs. Base card, Cole Hamels, Phillies, Diamond Parallel. We got Cliff Lee and Zach Greinke, Diamond Duos. We got Mariano Rivera, top 60. Warren Spahn, Braves, fake back. The gold parallel is the Minnesota Twins, and that's numbered 360 out of 2011. Ticket to Topstown is Hunter Pence, Astros. I gotta speed up, I'm sorry. Diamond giveaway. The leather nameplate is Harmon Killebrew. Regular plate, Twins. And we got a base card of Michael Bourne. And the mini card fell, Hank Aaron, Braves. That's nice. That's the first time I've ever seen two of the leather nameplates in one pack, in one box rather. It's too bad one of them wasn't a nickname. I haven't seen one of those yet. All right. Alright, we got Marcus Timms, base card, Dodgers. We got Joe Patterson, base card, Diamondbacks. Sorry, I grabbed two base cards on that one. We got a diamond parallel of Daniel Murphy for the Mets. Diamond duo card, Ryan Braun and Carlos Gonzalez. Alfonso Soriano, top 60. Jim Palmer, Orioles, fake back, sorry. The gold parallel is Danny Valencia, and that is numbered 1409 out of 2011. Another Hunter Pence, ticket to Topstown. Diamond giveaway, before there was Topps card. David Wright, Diamond Stars, Mets. The mini card is Jim Palmer, Orioles. And then Topps Attacks. And Anibal Sanchez, Marlins. Base card. Alright, I really gotta speed this up, sorry. Okay, the mini card, so it doesn't fall out this time, is Eddie Murray, Orioles. We got a base card of Octavio Dotel, Blue Jays. We got Pat Burrell, Diamond Parallel for the Giants. We got Curtis Granderson is our gold parallel, and that's numbered 560 out of 2011. We got a ticket to Topstown is Pedro Alvarez, Pirates. We got a Kurt Schilling. We got Donnie Baseball, Don Mattingly, top 60. We got Buster Posey, Giants, fake back. We got a gold parallel, and then we got a black parallel behind it. Michael Cohn for the Angels is the gold parallel. The black parallel is Clayton Richard, Padres. And that is numbered 59 of 60. Nice hit, Padres. And then we have Kendry Morales, base card, Angels. The gold card number was 844, by the way, of 2011 for Michael Cohn, Angels. Okay. think this pack has the autograph. Not positive, but it is possible. Alright, base card is the Twins, Shoshi Nishoka. Don't know how to pronounce that. Sorry. We got Ricky Henderson, A's. We got Diamond Duos, Carl Crawford and Jacoby Ellsbury. We got Jacoby Ellsbury, top 60. Nolan Ryan, Angels, fake back. Gold parallel is Cedric Hunter, number 225 out of 2011 for the Padres. Ticket to Topstown is the Rays, BJ Upton. Diamond giveaway. The autograph is, let's see, the stat on top is 2010 MLB home run leaders. We got a slugger here. Good luck, everyone. And it is Jose Bautista. Wow, that's a nice signature there. That's very Blue Jays. Nice hit, Blue Jays. And Michael Bourne, base card. The mini card is Carlton Fisk, Red Sox. Alright, we got a Prime 9 redemption in this pack. That'll be randomized. Prime 9 redemption is week 3. Base card, Josh Lukey, Mariners. Don't know if I pronounced that right. Sorry if I didn't. Ticket to Topstown, Tigers, Victor Martinez. Skip Shoemaker for the Cardinals is our Diamond parallel. Diamond Duos is Cardinals, Albert Pujols and Matt Holliday. Hank Aaron, top 60 card. We got Ed Matthews, Braves, fake back. Gold parallel is Bud Norris, Astros, 12/31 of 2011. Dave Parker, Pirates, that's an original back. Then we got Cliff Lee, Phillies, Diamond Stars. We got Donnie Baseball, Don Mattingly, Yankees mini card, and this then Chris Heisey, Reds, base card. Okay. Alright, the mini card. It always seems to fall out on me. It's Steve Carlton, Phillies. And we got Tom Williamson, base card, Mariners, Diamond giveaway. Melky Cabrera is the Diamond parallel for the Royals. We got Hank Aaron and Hank Aaron and Jason Hayward for the Braves is the Diamond duo. Eddie Matthews for the Braves, top 60. Ozzie Smith, fake back, Cardinals. Gold parallel is Kyle Loesch, Cardinals, 1564 out of 2011. Ticket to Topstown is John Lester, Red Sox, before there was Topps card. And then we got Josh Johnson, Marlins, Diamond Stars, and Trevor Crow, base card for the Indians. Oh boy, I gotta do these quick, I'm sorry. Okay, Eric Bedard, Mariners, base card, Diamond giveaway. Mark DeRosa, Diamond parallel. Tim Lincecum, Brian Wilson, Giants. Then we got Francisco Liriano, Twins. Dave Winfield, Padres. San Francisco Giants, gold card, 1945 out of 2011. Clayton Kershaw, ticket to Topstown, giveaway. We got a sparkle card of Gordon Beckham. Then we got Dale Murphy, mini card, and Jose Valverde. I got to do the last pack in a separate.